Yes, that is Spicy's mom, you fucking reward clone, bro. Get out, bro.
No way he made his mom do this, Corey.
No way Spicy's mom did this corny ass video. Like, shut the fuck up, bro. Your ass is fucking annoying, Gippy, bro.
Yeah, I video with him.
And why did you make fun of my best friend's Jonathan Tetch's dog, you actual son of a bitch?
Alright, bro, what the hell was that?
Motherfucker, you're the type of person that sends gay ass messages on Discord and glazes LT Beast.
Alright, bro, what's with all the fake sound effects? I know that KDK did not sound that good.
Have you heard of the word edit? He edited those crunch sound effects.
Oh nah, is his mom gonna beat him with that?
Hey yo, did bro just moan? Beat him with that. Get out!
What was this video, bro? Just like and subscribe so I can pay my bill.
Like and subscribe so I can pay my bill. No, bro. No one's liking subscribing to you. Only the people that like and subscribe to you is some nerdy ass people. Quit YouTube, bro. No one likes you. This is the reason why Raspadoo hates you. And Lettuce too. Lettuce fucking hates you, and Raspadoo and wait, the actually Spicy finally got diabetes? Yes, he did get diabetes, you fucking Bugs Bunny looking ass, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
Spicy finally got diabetes now?
Gippy, do me a favor. Delete this video and go back to quitting YouTube because nobody likes you. Even Stan5 doesn't like you. This is the reason why Stan5 hates you.
Oh wait, you are one.
Bro, Gippy, just fucking quit, bro. Put the fries in the bag, bro. Anyways, don't like and subscribe to Gippy. Like and subscribe to me and Jonathan Tetch and Raspadoo instead.